As a preschool teacher or parent, finding the right classroom materials is essential to creating a fun and engaging learning environment for your little ones. In this video, we'll show you the top 10 must-have preschool classroom materials that will help your child learn and develop their skills. Hi, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the best preschool classroom materials that every teacher or parent should have. Whether you're teaching at home or in a classroom, these materials are essential for creating a fun and engaging learning environment for your child. Number 1. Crayons and markers. Crayons and markers are a must-have for any preschool classroom. They allow children to express themselves through art and writing, and help to develop fine motor skills. Number 2. Play-Doh. Play-Doh is a fun and interactive way for children to explore their creativity and develop their fine motor skills. It also helps with hand-eye coordination and sensory development. Number 3. Building blocks. Building blocks are great for encouraging creativity, problem-solving skills, and spatial awareness. They also help with hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. Number 4. Puzzles. Puzzles are an excellent way to develop problem-solving skills, hand-eye coordination, and cognitive skills. They also help with concentration and memory. Number 5. Picture books. Picture books are an excellent way to introduce children to language and storytelling. They also help with vocabulary development and cognitive skills. Number 6. Sensory bins. Sensory bins are a great way to engage children in tactile play and sensory exploration. They can be filled with a variety of materials, such as sand, water, or rice. Number 7. Musical instruments. Musical instruments are a great way to introduce children to music and rhythm. They also help with coordination and fine motor skills. Number 8. Art supplies. Art supplies such as paint, glue, and paper are a must-have for any preschool classroom. They allow children to express themselves creatively and develop their fine motor skills. Number 9. Dramatic play materials. Dramatic play materials, such as costumes, play food, and puppets, are great for encouraging imaginative play and social skills. Number 10. Whiteboard and markers. A whiteboard and markers are essential for teaching and interactive learning. They allow children to write and draw, and are great for group activities and games. So, those are our top 10 must-have preschool classroom materials. Follow us for more ideas and increase growth of your preschool. Visit our website www.mykidreports.com.